Shivani. I'm Bhavin Shah. I'm the Vice President of Engineering for Tecan CDMO in Morgan Hill, California. Just a little bit about Tecan. We are a global OEM, life sciences and medical devices company. We're focusing on innovating healthcare innovations globally. We talk about the contract design and manufacturing operations in Morgan Hill today. So we work at Tecan CDMO on very complex systems that serve medical and life sciences customers. Our systems include complex devices that can serve the medtech and the life sciences industry, and the systems include optics, electronics, fluidics assemblies, a lot of parts, a lot of complexities, including how the systems come together and serve the end purpose of the systems that we design and help manufacture. So these systems that we build have a lot of components in them. Those components include parts that need to be ordered from suppliers. Those suppliers need to be integrated into our system. But most importantly, these instruments that need to be put together, they have to come together in a very precise way. So what we have done is over the years that we have transferred these lots of instruments for our customers into our manufacturing, is developed a process of creating a zero defect assembly. And how we achieve that is through design and manufacturing integration through our very well-defined NPI process, where we actually focus on all the DFX elements on how these instruments come together, how we engineer these parts, how we engineer the process to create the zero defect assembly, and create a deterministic pass-fail test criteria for every subassembly, electronics boards, and subsystems that go into these instruments. So what that does is it gives a very well-defined assembly and testing process, of these complex devices that translates into very high first-pass yields, as we call in the manufacturing world, which is instruments really passing, at a very high yields on the manufacturing side, translating into almost zero out-of-box quality issues that the customers face when they receive the instruments. Now, in order to do that, as I mentioned, that we have developed and designed processes that actually achieve that goal. And when we go through these instruments, there are thousands of parts that go into that. Those parts, they need to come together. Those parts need to be inspected. Those parts need to have in-process inspection and testing. And those parts need to have a full subsystem and system level testing, at the end of the line. On top of that, the quality that comes in along with the operations that we put together is extremely important, because, we provide a very rich devices to record to our customers, because these instruments need that level of compliance and regulatory support that we provide to our customers as well. So overall, Tecan and Tecan CDMO, we provide end-to-end services to our customers in defining how their product comes into manufacturing and achieve the highest yields for the customers at the end. So if you want to learn more about us, please see our booth at MD&M. Our booth number is 2854. And you can, after the event, you can talk to us at partnering.tecan.com, and we'll be happy to get in touch with you.